Hi, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some natural and effective home remedies for fever that you can try at home. First, it's important to determine if you actually have a fever. A fever is defined as a body temperature above 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius. If you do have a fever, try these remedies to help bring your temperature down and alleviate your symptoms. The first remedy is to drink plenty of fluids, such as water, juice, or herbal tea. Staying hydrated is important, especially when you have a fever, as it helps to flush out toxins and lower your body temperature. Herbal teas like chamomile, peppermint, and ginger are also great options, as they have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce fever and soothe your throat. Another effective remedy is to make a ginger and honey tea. Ginger has natural antiviral and antibacterial properties that can help boost your immune system and fight off infections. Honey, on the other hand, has a soothing effect on your throat and can help reduce coughing. Applying a cold compress to your forehead or neck can also help lower your body temperature and alleviate your fever. Soak a washcloth in cold water and wring out the excess water before placing it on your forehead or neck for a few minutes at a time. Finally, consuming warm soup or broth can also help you stay hydrated and provide your body with essential nutrients that can help fight off infections. So, those are some natural and effective home remedies for fever that you can try at home. Remember to rest and take it easy, and if your symptoms persist or worsen, be sure to seek medical attention. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.